How to build a winning mobile app for your company. The growth of mobile phone application development is unstoppable, with millions of app developers and applications across iOS and Android platforms. With the app market growing saturated, it's important for companies to ensure their app stands out. To develop a winning mobile app, companies need to define their application's unique value proposition and optimize user experience. The rise in smartphone users and time spent on these devices opens opportunities for businesses to connect with new customers through apps. However, without the right app development process, companies could miss out on engaging potential customers. To deliver the best user experience, businesses should continually develop and optimize their apps. For a successful mobile app, companies should define clear objectives before starting development. These goals will align the development efforts and guide strategic decisions. User experience is critical to an app's success. By understanding the target audience and their needs, companies can create engaging and user-friendly interfaces. In addition to design, it's important for companies to prioritize features that align with the app's objectives and provide value to users. Avoiding feature overload can lead to a more streamlined and maintainable app. Successful mobile apps are constantly evolving and improving. Regular testing and iteration can identify areas for improvement and ensure features and functionalities are always up to date. Companies may find it beneficial to outsource mobile app development. By partnering with professional development teams, businesses can access expertise and skill sets they may not have in-house. While outsourcing may seem costly initially, it can save money in the long run by eliminating the need for hiring and training a dedicated team. This allows companies to focus on their core business while ensuring their app development is in expert hands. Having a mobile app is now a necessity rather than a luxury for businesses. With the increase in mobile usage, customers expect to connect with businesses through apps more than ever. The right mobile app can set a company apart from its competitors by providing a seamless user experience and driving growth. By optimizing app development processes, companies can stay ahead of the curve and make a lasting impact on their customers.